So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Technology in the future. The OnePlus 12 will be the brand's best phone to date. In the upcoming OnePlus 12, OnePlus has included all recently released and pending features. And at this point, we know some of the phone's essential specs. The OnePlus 12 will be similarly brilliant at 2000 nits to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The OnePlus 11 has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which is 700 nits less. This will be accomplished through the OnePlus 12 6.7 QHD plus Q10 OLED LTPO panel, which can switch between 1 Hz and 120 Hz and save you some battery life for the day. The phone's 64MP OmniVision OV64B periscope camera with 3x zoom will be its standout feature. For the first time, OnePlus will incorporate a periscope zoom camera into their product. This has long been a common request from customers, and finally, OnePlus has paid attention to them. With this, it seems as though the OnePlus 12 will give the Galaxy S24 Ultra a run for its money in the race for the greatest smartphone of the year. Due to its utilization of the best-in-class QHD plus OLED display and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 silicon, OnePlus is poised to win this competition. The primary sensor from the Sony IMX9 series, the periscope camera, and 24 GB of RAM. The 5400 mAh battery and Oxygen OS 14 on board are the most notable features of the OnePlus 12's impressive list of characteristics. A 100-watt power brick is also included in the box, and it will take roughly 30 minutes for the device to reach full charge. Additionally, the 8 Gen 3 processor is anticipated to be very efficient, and the OnePlus 12 will feature a new VC cooling system to provide excellent heat dissipation. I recognize that a lot of you might not like Oxygen OS because it is comparable to ColorOS and has a less favorable user interface and customization options. But the One UI 6 is really great, and I hope OS 14 gets some features like it in the future. Furthermore, it's advantageous that the flagship devices from OnePlus and Samsung will receive 4 years of operating system updates and 5 years of security patches. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, might not be the ideal option because of its Exynos chip, awkward front design, and lack of innovation. OnePlus' excessively high specifications are pushing the envelope. There will be more information regarding the OnePlus 12 in the near future, and OnePlus may release this device before the end of the year as is customary. One of the first Android smartphones with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powering it could be the OnePlus 12. OnePlus switched to a new design aesthetic with the OnePlus 11, and it is among the best designs the brand has introduced in its 9-year history. The large camera island at the back that seamlessly merges into the mid-frame is designed to turn heads, and the brand did a great job carrying a similar design over to the India-focused OnePlus 11R as well. Although OnePlus is known to change the design of its phones yearly, it looks like the Chinese manufacturer is set to reuse a similar aesthetic with the OnePlus 12. Initial renders of the OnePlus 12 showcase a design that's largely unchanged from this year, featuring a similar set of modules and LED flash. The only difference is that the Hasselblad branding has moved to the side instead of being in the middle of both sets of lenses. An extra month later, at the start of 2024, the international launch might take place, and a few weeks later we might find it on the global market. So what are your thoughts on the OnePlus 12? Comment below with your response and let me know. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.